Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how we can fetch data from Google Sheets and use it to create UI elements. So first example, we will just use a simple text replacement and the source of that text is our Google Sheet. So this is the component that I have made and it has two things that we want to replace. First one is the name of the person and the marks that they have got. What we have to do is create a simple Google Sheet and name. The thing that matters here is the first row. So as you can see, I have used it as name person. I'll copy this and you don't need to format it in any different way. You can just write it as it is. The value only matters and it is also not case sensitive. And I'll go to my Figma file and go to the text layer that I need to replace and rename it to the same value. And I have to add a hashtag before it. Similarly, I will go to the marks, second column that I want data from, and I want to put this data inside this number here. Also, you have to make sure that if it is in a multi-decimal place, you have to go to format and in the inside number, you can select the type of data that you want. If I want integers, I can click here and it will only show me integers. So right now I want 2 digits as decimal places. And now I have to go to my Figma file and create an instance of this and put it inside an auto layout frame. Now we will be using a plugin called as Google Sheet Sync. Here you have to put the link of that spreadsheet and putting that link here, and make sure you enable update entire document, or you can just update a current page only. Now you can also read the documentation. It is very important if you get stuck anywhere. Before we sync, there's a trick that you have to use. When you put it inside an auto layout frame, and we know that we have like 15 persons. So in order to create that many instances, you rename the parent layer. Like for example, this is my instance and this is the parent layer. Here you have to put @ and hash. So this tells the plugin that to duplicate this first child that many times. So it will create 15 instances and replace the data inside it. So let's open the plugin and click on fetch and sync. So as you can see, it has created that many instances and replaced the values. Always you can also change any design within this, like for example distance, and it will update everywhere. In the next one, we will create a bar chart which has a progress bar in it. That's all folks for this video. Click here to check out the best plugins for accessibility checks in Figma, and I will see you in the next one.